Hey guys, in this video I'll be unboxing Huawei's Honor 9 Lite. Opening the box, firstly we are presented with the phone itself. Let's put that aside and take a look at other contents inside the box. So inside the box we have a SIM ejector tool, and next we have some documentation which consists of quick start guide and warranty information. And then Huawei has included a clear case which I don't think most people will use unless they want to protect the phone, because this phone is too beautiful to put a case on, which I'll talk about in just a minute. Next we have the micro USB cable, and then we have a power adapter. So here, taking the phone out, peeling off the plastic, turning on the phone and going through the setup process. Firstly, we are requested to set up the fingerprint scanner. As expected, the entire process only takes a few seconds and the fingerprint scanner works quite well. It is quick and responsive in unlocking the phone. In terms of physical overview, on the front here we have the camera, earpiece and sensors. To the bottom we have on-screen buttons, and to the right we have power and volume buttons, and to the left we have SIM card slots. To the bottom we have 3.5mm headphone jack, noise cancelling microphone, micro USB port and speakers. To the top we have nothing. On the back we have dual lens cameras with flash and then the fingerprint scanner, and to the bottom we have Honor branding. And for those who are interested, here is the SAR value of this device. And I want to take some time and talk about the design. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this is the most beautiful looking phone in this price segment. I don't think so there is any competition. Actually, it has a 2.5D glass both on the front and back, and it has a glossy and mirror like finish which gives it a premium look. Next, in terms of weight, this phone weighs at 149 grams and it's fairly light to hold in the hand. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to hit the like button and also share this video. It will be very helpful. Make sure to follow me on Facebook and Twitter. Links will be in this video's description. If you have any questions, please do leave them in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you're interested in more videos like this, definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel. And as always, thanks a lot for watching.